Hey friends, welcome back. So in this video, let me show you how to purchase an audiobook for the Audible app in any Apple devices. So buying an audiobook in iOS devices is pretty difficult and not straightforward as you would do with an Android device. So in an Android device, when you go into the Audible app and search for the title you want to download, it is pretty easy from there. Just click buy and you would have purchased the audiobook. But here in iOS device, when you search for a particular title, all you get is two options. That is play the sample now and add to wishlist. There won't be any purchase now option. So the next thing we would do is go to the Amazon app that we might happen to have in our phone and search for the title we want to download. But even there, it is not going to work. When you type particular book you want, you will be greeted with 2 or 3 options such as hardcover or paperback. And also there is an audiobook option. But when you click the audiobook option, it just redirects you to the same page but without the purchase option. How can you purchase an audiobook? Just open your browser and search in for the Amazon website. From there, as usual, type the title you want to download, and now you can see the audiobook format is also opened. So if you have credit, you can buy with the credit, or you have to pay the money to buy the audiobook. So Amazon gives us 1 credit every month if you are an audiobook user. As you can see, this audiobook purchase option is only available in the browser and not in the Amazon app. So from there, you just have to click purchase the book and place your order. Once you've got your confirmation mail from the Amazon, all you have to do is open the Audible app and in the library section, just refresh it and you will have your audiobook. Then click download, and once you download, you can enjoy your audiobook. That is how you can purchase and download audiobooks in Apple devices. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you.